Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today I'm going to go over a built-in option to scan documents that not a lot of people know about. So if you have OneDrive for Business already, which you should have if you have Office 365, simply go into your OneDrive app. I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to go into OneDrive. And it's going to connect to my OneDrive for Business. And let's say I want to scan something into the temp folder over here. So I'm just going to go down to temp, touch temp, click the plus in the top right corner, and there you go. The option I'm looking for is scan, which is the first option in here. So I'm going to hit scan. And now I'm going to focus it on my document. So you can see how it's kind of skewed, but you see that blue border around the document. I'm going to hold steady, take a picture, and there it is. That's the magic. So it will straighten out, clean up the page and make it look really nice. Now, that's not all. The second thing that you probably want to look into is, what if you have multiple pages that you want to scan, page 1, page 2, all in one document. You don't want multiple PDF files, right? Who wants that? So what we're going to do is, in this case, I'm going to simply flip over my let's go ahead and add the second page first. So it's add new. So I'm going to click the plus in the top bottom left corner, flip my page right there. That's my page 2. Focus on there, take a picture, and I don't even wait too long, and boom, there it is, right? And now I can either apply filters by clicking over here, or if and that's the auto. I can do black and white or whatever, but I'm gonna say none. Now auto will kind of, I try to keep it on auto. That just works better, right? So it's there. If I can crop it, at the top, you see this little icon down here, so I can kind of crop it. That's the original picture. I'm going to say cancel because it does a good job by itself. I can annotate on it, so I can click that guy. I can put something in red. There you go. And now I can click done if I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And it's going to go into temp. I can give it a name. Scan test, hit the check mark, boom, uploading file 1. Now, depending on your bandwidth, it might go pretty quick, it might go slow, but this is a very easy to use app. You already have it. You don't need a third-party app to do scans and all that. And I know some people are using Microsoft Lens, but a lot of the Lens capability is built into this app. So here it is. Here's my test, and I can open it, and boom, 2 pages. There you go. Simple as that. And now, if I want to delete it, I'm viewing it. Oh yeah, that's okay. That's good. I forwarded it to somebody. Let's say, I forwarded it here to somebody and I want to delete it, get rid of it. Boom, done. Easy as that. No problem. So, an easy way to do this. And I think that's it for today. Gonna keep it short. I'll see you tomorrow. And in the meantime, be safe out there.